I don't know too. Oh my god, I'm breaking out so much.
Oh, I look so cute.
Nobody asked. I woke up to this. This is terrible.
Yeah.
Where are we today?
We're in Venus of Quebec.
Venus.
Oh no, Quebec in Venus in Quebec.
Not the Venus, with the Grand Canal Venus. We're just here.
In a cute town.
We're in the parking area, obviously. We're gonna go there. Let's go. And we're gonna buy ice cream. I'm so excited because it's literally so hot. It's like 30 degrees.
Like I'm sweating.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, what do you have?
I have caramel and vanilla.
And I got pineapple and strawberry with basil, which is actually, it's very weird, but it tastes so good. Like I've never tried this flavor before, but it's so good. We're at the elevator. It's raining outside. Fit check. Just jackets and shorts and slippers.
We're just running some errands.
Yep, we're running errands today. Make some fruit salad. This would suit me very well.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. So, for the first time in 15 years of my life, I'm gonna color my hair. No way, because I'm actually so nervous. Okay, so I read the instructions and everything, so I feel like I'm ready to go now. I'm using L'Oreal in the shade 64 Green A Dark Auburn. Is that even how you say it? But like, yeah, I'm using this one. It says to mix these, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. Ugh, that smells weird. Hey. Why the f I smell that? I can't believe I'm doing this. My parents, they don't know that I'm gonna be coloring my hair tonight. So tomorrow, they would be so surprised if they see me. I hope they don't get mad, cause I'd be dead. Okay, I found this old towel that I can use for like hovering. My sister's gonna help me, guys. Don't smell it. It smells so bad.
Flashback.
Hey. It says if I have longer hair, I should have bought 2 boxes, but I didn't know that, so we'll make that work.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, update. I am done. Like, I colored all of it. I colored my eyebrows too. I look like a freaking angry bird right now, specifically the red one. It looks so bad. I hope this turns out well, because if it doesn't, I'm actually gonna kill myself. Just kidding. I have to wait for like 25 to 30 minutes before I wash it out, and we'll see the results then. See you in 30 minutes.
Many minutes later.
Okay, so updates. I just washed my hair and I blow dried it, and I don't know how to feel about it, because it doesn't look and feel that much different compared to like my original hair. I just like the fact that my eyebrows look more visible now. It used to look like I don't have eyebrows, but now it's like much darker. But like, you know, in general, it doesn't look that different. It looks like I didn't even dye it at all. Maybe it will look different in the sunlight. I'll try to take a video of it when I go outside in the sun and like see if there's any difference. That's it for now.
It looks like we're on a top secret meeting.
It's actually raining. It's kind of cold now. I wanted to take pictures. Me too. I wanted to take really good pictures, but it ended up raining. I mean, because it was raining when we were on the way here, but I thought it would stop, but it didn't. So thank God we actually brought an umbrella. It's 22 degrees.
No, where is it? There we go.
Let's go. This night is like not going how we expected it to go. This is actually so funny. Okay, so I just finished getting ready. Now I'll be packing my things because I'm going to the beach with my friend, which I am so excited about because I haven't seen her for like 2 weeks now. So yay! And I curled my hair a little bit today because it's been a long time since I last curled it and I've been really wanting to curl it. So I know this is not the perfect day to like curl my hair because I'm gonna get in the water, it's gonna go like flat. But then for the pictures, so I'll be packing my things in this tote bag. I think this is my mom's, so I'm gonna use this one for now because I think it's perfect for the beach. I'll be packing this blanket. I use this all the time when I go to the beach, so this is like perfect. also gonna pack some extra clothes just in case. And then for the snacks, I'm gonna be bringing chips, some fruits, which is perfect for a hot summer day. So we'll put that in. And then of course my wallet, which has my card and my transportation card. We can't forget the lip gloss. My dad got this for me. It's called Shiny Lips by Miss Lookie. I don't know where he got this from, but it's really pretty. So this is like one of my favorite lip balms. And then I have sunglasses. I don't know where these are from. I saw this in my mom's room and I was like, okay, I'm gonna take this because it looks really cute too. See? Oh my god, that's just perfect. Ah! Wait, what else should I bring? Oh yeah, I almost forgot to pack my towel. Hold up. Okay, I think I'm just gonna bring this small one that I have because it's the most ethical. Yes. And then lastly, sunscreen. I use the Cetaphil one because my skin is really sensitive, and my mom, she recommended this for me to use because it's good for sensitive skin. So this is what I use, and now we're done. It fits so perfectly in this bag. Like, look at this. Everything fits so well. We're good to go. And let me do a little fit check. I have this skirt that I got from H&M when I was still in the Philippines. And then I have my bikini underneath everything now. So this is just a cover up. This is actually an old sweater from Old Navy, I think, that I cut into a good crop top. So it looks like this. Yep. So everything is cute. And my sunglasses finishes everything off. It's like the most perfect. So see you guys at the beach.
What if it stings me in the ass though? I would grow a bigger ass then.
Oh my god, yeah.
I'm manifesting it would come to me and stings my ass instead.
Yeah, please.
All bees.
Like 20 bees, 20 bees, all the bees in the
A
bees.
swarm of bees biting into my ass to make it bigger.
Stop.
What conversation is this? The weather's perfect today.
Especially.
I brought blueberries, grapes, and strawberries.
Yay.
And chips, and Aditi got his drinks.
Yeah, I paid. Do you know what happened a few seconds ago? So we came to the beach and Audrey was opening her drink, and then I think she kind of shaked it too much on the way. That when she was opening it, there was like a big water fountain coming out of the Sprite.
That was so unexpected. Our blanket is kind of wet now because of the Sprite.
Yeah, but it's fine. It's like the corner.
These are like the last strawberries
gone.
I have in the fridge. I was like, okay, I'm bringing all of them.
Oh, that feels nice.
Because I ate half of the pack yesterday. So, blueberry. Okay, how do you say I'm eating a strawberry in Japanese?
Strawberry o tabetemasu.
Strawberry o tabetemasu. I'm such a pro.
She's better than me, guys.
I know.
Like, I was there for years. You kind of always got better than me.
A native. How do you say it in French then? Je mange.
Le strawberry. No, everybody has to know I'm good at French. I actually know it. I just don't want Audrey to know it. I'm like gonna let her keep guessing.
Whatever. Je mange fraise.
Oh right, it's not strawberry, it's fraise.
Yeah.
I knew that.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Weird,
You were like, je mange le strawberry.
That's not what I said. I was trying to like make her mix it up.
Nope.
Confuse her.
Nope. She can't fool me.
I'm a
guys.
genius at that.
No, you're not.
I
What's grapes in French then? I bet you know now, because I don't know too. How do people tan?
It's because the sun's like
their
right
whole
there.
body? Like,
It's
do
'cause
they
they-
lay out flat like this?
I think it's because they have those benches, right? And then there's, yeah, I think so. I think they're just like this.
Feet.
I don't have feet, guys.
Where's your feet? Gone.
Wait, let me find it.
Her feet is longer than mine.
I'm literally burning so
Oh my god.
I'm not even joking. I'm burning now.
The bees on my Fanta.
Where is it? Oh my god, there's 2 bees on my Sprite now. Bruh. So we're just gonna stay like this for a little while. We're gonna get in the water probably 10 minutes after we yap. So,
Yeah.
because it's getting too hot. We need to take a dip.
Yeah, it is.
Yay, we're going home now. We just packed our things and now we're going home. Oh my god, we look so good. Right? The sun's really good today. Look how
Sun is
rosy
our
our cheeks
thing,
are.
guys.
No filter.
No filter. So I just got home like a few hours ago and then I took a shower. I stayed on my phone for a while because I was absolutely so tired, like my body. So I was like just lying on the bed, like scrolling through my phone and stuff. And now it's like, wait, what time is it? It's probably around 10:30 now. So I just did my skincare and now I'm craving for something sweet. Luckily, I remembered, I feel like I still have grapes in the fridge, so I'm planning to make tanghulu the last thing for tonight before I finally go to bed because I've been craving tanghulu so bad, but I'm too lazy to go to Chinatown. Like that's where I usually buy tanghulu. So why does this thing keep coming off? So we're gonna make tanghulu tonight. Let's go. Grapes. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Okay, guys, listen to this. Oh my god, why is it not sounding? Listen to this. You hear that? Okay, taste test. Okay, first of all, it's a fail!
You plus me, yeah.